Hello everyone, this is your Vijayalakshmi teacher and welcome to our social class. Before we begin our today's class, let us recall what we have learnt in the previous classes. Right, so in the lesson that we are doing now is block 11, deserts and plateaus. In the previous classes, we learnt the location of the Thar desert. Okay, Thar desert, which is also known as the Indian desert. Right, and the next topic what we have learned was the lifestyle in a desert. How do people live? What type of climate is found there? What is the food that they eat? What are the clothes that they wear? What are the other issues or other problems in a desert? So we have understood that very well. Then the third topic is the plateaus. Okay, plateaus are the tableland. And they are famous and popular for the minerals. Okay, they have the mineral wealth hidden inside them. That is the reason there will be coal mines, many mines in the plateaus, right? So today's our topic is lifestyle in the plateau region. Okay, lifestyle in the Indian plateau. In the previous class we learned about the plateaus. What did we learn? We learned that the Indian plateau consists of two types. One is the Deccan Plateau and the other one is the Central Highlands. Once again, the Central Highlands can be divided into two types. One is the Malwa Plateau and other one is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. So we learnt what are the states that are covered. Okay, what are the states that lie in the plateau region, whether it is Central Highlands or whether it is Deccan Plateau. We also learnt what are the rivers that flow in the plateau region. So today we are going to learn what kind of lifestyle is found in the plateau region. Okay, what kind of food do the people eat? What kind of crops are grown in the plateau region? What is the climate? How is the ground? What are the other issues or other problems people find here? What kind of clothes do they wear? How are the houses? Like how we have learnt in that deserts that people live in the houses which are made with mud walls. Like that we are going to compare. So let us go ahead. Okay, let us jump into the lesson lifestyle in the plateau region. Right, students? To understand the lifestyle in the plateau region, let us now read a story about Ajit and the rain. Okay, all of you open your content book to page number, okay, block 11, first page, it is page number 69. Right, students? And here it is Ajit and the rain. Ajit's kurta was wet in sweat. Okay, by reading the story you should be able to understand many things. So better to underline some words. Right, students? This will help you. This story is going to help you in answering the worksheet S4. Okay. Ajit's kurta was wet in sweat. His mother had woven it herself from the cotton plant in their backyard. Okay. Ajit's kurta was wet in sweat. His mother had woven it herself from the cotton plant in their backyard. The rains were late this year in Chhattisgarh. Ajit's father was a farmer. What would they do if the rains failed again? His father will not be able to pay their debts. What about his school? Ajit was worried. See, here the farmers are depending upon rainwater for farming. So sad, right? So if the same thing repeats what happened in the last year, if there are no rains, then his father won't be able to pay the debts and he can't send his son to school because he has to pay the fees. So Ajit is worried. He sat by the door of their thatched hut eating a plate of rice with soybean curry. Okay, so here we are learning so many things about their houses, clothes, problems, okay, rains. So he sat by the door. Who sat? Ajit sat. He sat by the door of their thatched hut, eating a plate of rice with soybean curry. The sugarcane on the fields outside were growing. Suddenly, a cricket ball came towards him. It bounced on the rocky ground. Some boys were playing outside. Ajit lifted the ball and threw it towards the boys. The ball flew high in the sky. Towards the coal mines Oh no, it had disappeared in the mines. Now we'll discuss about what secret information is hidden in the story of Ajit and the rain to understand the lifestyle in a plateau region. Right, students? What do you think the place where Ajit lives looks like? After reading the story, you should be having these answers with you. And what do you think about the climate there? Is it dry or wet? What kind of food does Ajit eat? Are there any other issues, any other problems? What is Ajit worried about? Okay, all that we are going to put it in a word web now. Right, students? Right. After reading the story of Ajit, what is there for us to learn about the life in the plateau region? Taking Ajit's life as example, taking Ajit's life as case study, let us try to understand the various things that the story tells us. Right? So the boy Ajit lives in the place Chhattisgarh. He lives and what? So the place is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is a state which is in the plateau region, and he lives in a thatched hut. What is a thatched hut, students? Thatched hut is a hut that is covered with leaves. It has dried leaves as its roofs, right? And what was Ajit eating? Okay, what do the people eat there? Mostly they eat rice and soybean curry. Okay, indirectly when we are saying Ajit eats soybean curry, we are also saying that the people in the plateau region also eat rice and soybean curry. Right, and what type of clothes was Ajit wearing? What type of clothes was Ajit wearing? Ajit was wearing a cotton shirt. We learned it, no? Her mother had woven the shirt for him. So Ajit was wearing a cotton shirt. From that we can understand that there are cotton plants, cotton crops, right? Cotton crops in the plateau region, in the Chhattisgarh, right? So what did we learn so far? We learned about which place Ajit lives in. He lives in Chhattisgarh, which is in the plateau region. He lives in a, what kind of house does he live in? He lives in a thatched hut. What kind of food does he eat? Ajit was eating rice and soybean curry. What kind of clothes was he wearing? He was wearing a cotton shirt. What is there for us to understand? That there are cotton plants. People also grow cotton there. How is the climate there? How did we understand that the climate is hot and humid? We understood that the climate is hot and humid. The first sentence says that Ajit's cotton shirt was wet. Very much wet in the sweat. That says that the temperature or the climate is hot and humid. So when the climate is humid, we start sweating. So this says about the hot and humid. What was Ajit's father doing? What is the occupation? What do the people in the plateau region do? So here, in the case of Ajit, Ajit's father is a farmer. And what crop was he growing? He was growing sugarcane. So, and there are also coal mines. There are also coal mines in Chhattisgarh or the place near where Ajit lives. How do we know that? We know this by that when he throws the ball, it goes into the coal mines and it disappears. That is in the last part of the story. So here there is a mention of coal mines. Why do you think there are many mines in the plateaus? Because plateaus are rich in mineral wealth. This is something you have to remember, right? And Ajit was worried about something. What was the problem? Ajit was worried because his father had debts. Okay, he took a loan from someone and last year he couldn't pay the loan because there was no rain, very less rainfall. Only if rainfall is there, they are able to get a bumper crop. Okay, Good rainfall, good crop, good harvest. No rainfall, no crop. So Ajit was worried, even if it continues like the last year, previous year, no rainfall, then how will my father, how is he going to pay the debt? How is he going to send me to school? Even this year also, if there is no rainfall, then he can't send me to school because he has to pay the fees. So that was the problem which Ajit was worried about. Okay, because of the less rainfall. This is the problem. Once again, quickly, you are going to draw this word web in your social classwork, students, as it is. Neat work. Okay, you are going to draw this word web in social classwork. Have a very good look at it. Ajit, he lives in Chhattisgarh. Ajit, his house is a thatched hut. Ajit eats rice and soybean curry. And Ajit is wearing a cotton shirt. It means that there are cotton plants. The climate is hot and humid. Ajit's father is a farmer. He grows sugarcane. So we should understand that there are cotton crops, sugarcane crops, rice, soybean curry. And also people also work in the coal mines as miners. So we can say that most of the people are farmers or miners. Right, students? That was a very nice story about Ajit which we enjoyed. Remember, this story is going to help you to complete the worksheet in S4. There are many questions. There is a table, total table about the lifestyle in the plateau region. So, whenever you get a doubt about how to answer that S4 worksheet, refer to Ajit's story. You will definitely get the answer. Right, students? Here is your question, students. I have a question for you. Hope you answer this. The question is, what is one difference? What is that one difference between the Rajasthan, what we have learnt? We have learnt about life in Rajasthan, right? What is that one difference between the physical features of Rajasthan and the physical features of Chhattisgarh? Yes, both have hot climate. Yes, both have less rainfall. But there is some difference. What is that? Shall I repeat the question? What is that one difference between the physical features of Rajasthan and the physical features of Chhattisgarh? Yes, here is your answer. Rajasthan is covered by the Rajasthan, which is a desert. Okay, mostly a desert is covered by the sand dunes. You see sand everywhere. Okay, whereas Chhattisgarh is a plateau region, there you find the ground is very hard and rocky. That is the reason. That is the difference. Okay, Rajasthan is covered by the sand dunes. So if anyone moves from Rajasthan to Chhattisgarh, what is that one difference they can easily find is that Rajasthan is covered by the sand dunes, whereas Chhattisgarh is covered by the hard rocky ground. That is the difference, students. Now for today's homework. What is today's homework? Workbook, finish S4 from page number 18. Okay. Workbook, finish S4 from page number 18. This is the worksheet. Okay. If you have any doubt about answering this worksheet, refer to Ajit's story. Immediately you will get the answers. Right? Or just look at the word web, what you have drawn in the notebook. Immediately you will get the answer. Okay. It is all about what are the features of the land, climate of the plateau region. What are the food and the crops in the plateau region? How are the houses and clothes in the plateau region? Is there anything else you can write about the less rainfall and how farmers are depending upon it, or the coal mines you can mention? And they are also even asking that what are the states that are found in the plateau region. And the second question is, Asta, who lives in Pali, Rajasthan, is moving to Durg. Okay, Asta is moving from Rajasthan to Chhattisgarh. What changes will she experience in her day-to-day life? If Asta is moving to Ajit's place, what is the difference that she is going to experience? You can just write the same thing here. Okay, Asta was living in a place which was covered with sand dunes everywhere. Now she has come to the plateau region where the land is hard and rocky. Okay, I know students, you can do it very well. It is very, very easy. And also answer, the second homework is notebook. In your social classwork, answer practice question number 7. Okay, in your social classwork, put the date, copy practice question number 7. What is this practice question number 7? Let us see. Practice question number 7 is, write one thing which is common and one thing which is different between where Asta and Ajit live. Okay, what is common between Asta and Ajit's place? What is same between Asta's and Ajit's place? And also you have to write one difference between the place of Ajit and Asta. One thing you can, what is similar between Ajit and Asta's place is that both the places have hot climate. What is the difference? Sand dunes there, hard rocky ground here. Don't write in phrases or words. Complete point-wise sentences. Capital letter in the beginning, full stop at the end. Okay, good handwriting. Point-wise you write. Right, students? That is all for today. Hope you have understood this lesson, the lifestyle in the plateau region. And with this, we come to the end of block 11, deserts and plateau. Thank you and have a nice day.